बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज जनरल नॉलेज के अहम सवालात हम सीखेंगे और पढ़ेंगे। तो पहला सवाल है, समारा वाज बिल्ड बाय। इसका जवाब है मोतसम। अल बरूनी डाइड इन द ईयर 1048। Grand Mosque at Damascus was built by Walid bin Abdul Malik. How many countries are the members of NATO? Its answer is 30. Reuters news agency belongs to which country? Its answer is UK. Pristine Lake Paristan Lake is in district Skardu. Maiden Tower is in Azerbaijan. The tallest man of Pakistan is Zia Rashid. The currency of Maldives is Rupia. Park Goel is in Spain. Federal Investigation Agency FIA founded in 1975. The oldest intelligence agency of Pakistan is IB. Aden of Sindh is called Ladkana. 12 apostles are in Australia. Minarets of Jam is in Afghanistan. Lake Ness is freshwater lake in Scotland. Abu Simbel temple is in Egypt. Tilochi lake is in Nepal. Millau bridge is in France. Mount Aden crater is in New Zealand. Hagia Sophia Museum is in Turkey. Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Financial Action Task Force was founded in which year? Its answer is 1989. The tiger of Mysore is called Tipu Sultan. In Indus Valley, alluvial soil was used for marking bricks. इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी और नासर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।